It's time to harvest tangerine. Wala, mamitas tayo ng tangerine. Oh, I need to get my basket. Dami-daming bunga, harvest time. And nakita ako doon na alaki niya oh. I will juice this. Another big one. Etong dalawa. Look at the color. There, malalaking tangerine, orange, or dalandan in Tagalog, daranghita in Ilocano. Eto na siya guys. Ang lalaki. Tangerine. So I will be juicing this one. Wow. Loaded with vitamin C. Nice harvest for today. Mahalo for watching. This is enough for now. No need to get the ladder. Next time the one up. Tama na to. Okay na to for how many days of tangerine juice. Let's go. Okay na ako dito. Happy na naman. Nakalibre. Hi, buhay. I did not pick all. Ganda ni Malpason. Little bit more push. Almost done. getting tired. Pagod na si Akech. Medyo nabannog ako na. Kakapagod. I'm sweating. This is a good workout. So aside from cleaning the yard, at the same time, it's a good workout. Really sweating. It went to my eyes, my sweat. It's not good to the eyes. Wow, this is my workout, guys. So I see you later because I need to really make it clean and even. Next. Done. Yard is perfectly clean. Kakapagod kaya. Good exercise. But I need to pick the leaves at the other side also. Little bit more push. Let's go. Tingnan nyo naman guys, kahit sa Hawaii, dala-dala ko ang walis tingting. Ne, at dasagad ko pagdalos. You know what guys, I prefer to clean our yard by myself instead of paying somebody because mahal kasi ang bayad at saka laging hindi kami kontento sa ginagawa nila. Laging, oh, they missed this part, they did not do this part. That's why, oh, I better do it myself. Okay, almost done. I'm finally done, so I will show a little bit of what I did guys. Ayan, malinis na naman ang aming yard. I think I need to get ready because hubby says we are going to pick lunch. I go get ready because we are going out now na. I'm here at the parking lot waiting because we are picking up our lunch for today. So I don't have to cook.